We have news coming in on a BJP woman MP who's filed a complaint against Rahul Gandhi. The MP says that Rahul Gandhi yelled at her. Rahul Gandhi came close and that made her uncomfortable. Rahul Gandhi made me uncomfortable. Rahul hurt my dignity and self-esteem. He came close and pushed me. And here she's basically filed a complaint, we hear, saying that this made me uncomfortable and it disrespected my dignity. A woman BJP MP's complaint against Rahul Gandhi. And we also heard Jagdeep Dhankar, the Rajya Sabha chair, who's said that in the House while the Rajya Sabha proceedings were on. He said that there is a MP who came to me all teary-eyed and said that she's shocked that she was treated in such a fashion, and he says, I'm going to look into it very closely. We hear a woman MP of the BJP claims that Rahul Gandhi misbehaved. He came close, made her feel uncomfortable. Rahul Gandhi made me feel uncomfortable. This hurt my dignity and my self-esteem. Big claims there by a BJP woman MP who claims that Rahul Gandhi mistreated her.
Honorable Chairman, sir, I stand with a very heavy heart to bring a matter of very grave concern to you, sir, for which I've already sought your protection. Today, while protesting, it was a peaceful protest. I was standing outside just below the staircase of Makar Dwar. Something happened to me which I really feel disheartened. Leader of opposition of the Lok Sabha, Sri Rahul Gandhi ji, came in very close proximity of me, and I really feel uncomfortable. And he started shouting at me, which I felt is very unbecoming of a leader of opposition.
I have received a communication from Konyak, Honorable Member Parliament, and she has met me in my chamber also. I am looking into it. She was literally in tears. According to her, she could never believe that as a lady member, she would have to suffer so much at the hands of another member parliament. I am looking into it.
जो आज कारनामा किया, हमारा लेडी सांसद को ढकेल करके फिजिकली जो चार्ज किया और लोकसभा के दो और सांसदों को श्री राहुल गांधी ने इतना जोर से धक्का मारा, खून निकला, हॉस्पिटलाइज हो गया। ये जो कांग्रेस पार्टी का बिहेवियर है, ये
बीजेपी सांसद कौनक इस वक्त हमारे साथ मौजूद है। मैम, आज जब धरना प्रदर्शन हुआ उस वक्त क्या हुआ था, अगर आप बता पाए?
I was standing just below the staircase here in Makar Dwar. Then what happened was, there were a lot of people. Then Sri Rahul Gandhi ji just came in front of me, very close proximity. I felt uncomfortable. And then he started shouting at me, which I did not like. Because there is a certain way that things should be done and we should respect each other as honorable members of parliament. But then what he did, what he was shouting, it was in the close proximity, because when people come, we try to give way. But when there were so many of us standing and protesting, there was no space to move actually. So what happened today is very sad. I feel disheartened because this is not the way that people should treat each other. And as an ST member and as a lady member, I really feel bad. Of course, if necessary, maybe I can protect myself, but then that would seem very unbecoming, unseemly. So what happened today was really bad.
He came this close that you got really uncomfortable?
I felt very uncomfortable and he shouted at me, but we should not shout at each other.
He shouted at you?
He just shouted, he was saying something and we shouldn't be saying that. So he was shouting at me, which I really felt uncomfortable about.
So you're going to raise this matter before?
I have submitted a complaint to Honorable Chairman Rajya Sabha seeking his protection on this matter. Yes.
Okay. So what was he shouting? What was he saying?
I don't know what exactly he was shouting, but then he was just shouting at me. Because everyone was shouting like slogans and also I couldn't get exactly what he was saying. But then somewhat like, you cannot block me, something like that. But I was not blocking him. It was like something, he was like as he was charging me sort of thing. But I was not doing anything to him because we were standing here. What happens is they also have their protests. Then security people, personal cordon of a passage for them. So when they have their protest, we also use that passage and go.
Right.
And when we were protesting, they just came in pushing in a group and we could not make out what was what. So that was it. Yeah.
Thank you. So BJP MP Kanya Khanna submitted a complaint to the chair where she has alleged that Rahul Gandhi came in a very close proximity to her while she was protesting here at the Makkarwar Parliament. Piyush Mishra in Delhi, Point Today.
Well, that's a big allegation there. You've heard a BJP woman MP from Nagaland, in fact, the first Rajya Sabha MP from Nagaland, Pang Nong, who's accused Rahul Gandhi of disrespecting her by violating her dignity. In fact, she says that he misbehaved, came really close to me, made me feel uncomfortable. She says that she's complained about this to the Rajya Sabha chair. Rahul Gandhi hurt my dignity, precisely the words that the Nagaland MP, Pangnon Konyak, has made an allegation against Rahul Gandhi that he made her feel uncomfortable, that he hurt her dignity and her self-esteem. Big words that she's used while she's complained about Rahul Gandhi to the Rajya Sabha's chair. Jagdeep Dhankar, he's in fact promised to look into this matter. Rahul Gandhi, they're facing more trouble. On one hand, he has an FIR that's been filed against him by BJP MPs accusing him of assault in the case of Pratap Sarangi and Mukesh, two BJP MPs who hurt themselves when Rahul Gandhi allegedly forced his way through inside the parliament, in a way pushing some of those people who were standing there, blocking his way. So he used force to move into the parliament premises, and that resulted in two of the MPs incurring injuries. Let me take you through now the BJP MP from Nagaland, Konyak, who's spoken accusing Rahul Gandhi of hurting her dignity. Here's how it happened. She narrates.
Honorable Chairman, sir, I stand with a very heavy heart to bring a matter of very grave concern to you, sir, for which I've already sought your protection. Today, while protesting, it was a peaceful protest. I was standing outside just below the staircase of Makkarwar. Something happened to me which I really feel disheartened. Leader of opposition of the Lok Sabha, Shri Rahul Gandhi ji, came in very close proximity of me, and I really feel uncomfortable. And he started shouting at me, which I felt is very unbecoming of a leader of opposition.
I have received a communication from Konyak, Honorable Member Parliament, and she has met me in my chamber also. I am looking into it. She was literally in tears. According to her, she could never believe that as a lady member, she would have to suffer so much at the hands of another member parliament. I am looking into it.
जो आज कारनामा किया, हमारा लेडी सांसद को ढकेल